And how important is it to be a certified home inspector versus not being certified? What kind of credibility does that give you when you're talking to clients?
It means the world of difference. Like if you ask somebody, like, would you get the used car or the certified pre-owned? Right? There's a difference, right? I'll be like, the certified pre-owned seems like more official, more trustworthy. Or should you, what if you get hire a doctor who got trained somewhere, or a doctor who actually has a certificate on the wall, right, with a date and a stamp from a college? You'd probably go with that person.
Right.
So it's about credibility. And if you're brand new, this is probably one of the pillars that your entire company rests upon. There's like three things. If you think of a three-legged stool, there's three things that your business relies on. And one of them is credibility. And if you are found not credible, not trustworthy, you'll never get a job.
Right.
And the easiest way to gain credibility is to borrow InterNACHI's trust. That means InterNACHI, this world's largest organization of home inspectors, we trained and certified this individual. We put a certification stamp on him. Now, that individual takes that certification stamp and goes, look, trust me. InterNACHI, you're just essentially borrowing InterNACHI's trust. We trusted you. Now you're telling other people, trust us. Right. And that's how important getting certified is. Even if you're in a state or province that licenses home inspectors, a license, you do whatever the state requires. You take education, you take the state exam, you get insurance, you do all that stuff, you pay the state a fee, and you get your license. Yay! Now you have the same thing, same credibility stamp that 10,000 other people have.
Right.
And it means nothing. As soon as you get your license, I'm a licensed home inspector in a couple of states. Like, I have a Florida home inspector license. I essentially just threw it away. It's worthless. It's absolutely worthless. What it means is the state is saying that you have met the absolute legal minimum requirements to do your profession. What a low freaking bar that is. Like, if you went any lower, you'd be criminal, right? You're just above being a criminal. Like this, here's criminal doing a home inspection, and then here's you because you have a license. License, criminal. Like, it's just real close.
Right.
So what do you want to do to become something different than a criminal almost? Is you want to get as far away from the absolute minimum legal requirements. You want to throw away that license, and it's all about marketing yourself. You want to market your certifications. You want to get certified, not in home inspections, but in addition to home inspections, you want to get certified in mold, radon, termite, pool, infrared, and build all of that certification up so that you look like you're credible and trustworthy.
Right.
And then it's all about marketing after that.
Right.
So do the absolute minimum, get to a certain stage, and then join InterNACHI and become trained and certified so you can actually start making money.